So, getting ready to go to the interior shop here with about an hour. So we may not see it again for a little while. Not sure how long we'll have it. Minimum a month, I think. It's definitely stink buggy, but you know, there's no interior. There's almost no fuel. There's no sliders. Which, by the way, sliders are out for powder coat right now. I think it'll level out quite a bit, because I have the same suspension on mine, and I don't have auxiliary tank, I don't have back seats, all that kind of stuff, so I think it'll level it out. But we'll find out. If not, no big deal to change your rear springs. Wait till the end before we mess with the final dialing in of suspension. Thing sure purrs. It's a little louder right now than it's going to be too, just because that exhaust is not coming out back all the way. It just dumps over the rear axle right now, and we have a resonator for it too. We just haven't put it in yet until we get the fuel tank in it. You know, got your Texas plates there on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty. This will be the first good drive because it's about 25 miles out to the interior shop. So there we go. One last look for a while.